I've already seen My Friend Dahmer, the movie on HBO. But anyway, yeah, tried to watch it for her, but I missed. Anyway, I've got a pantry box down here. I guess I can't open it. Careful, Bo. The rest of the stuff is coming, I think, tomorrow. There's a lot of other stuff on the way. Got my demon turrets and some stuff coming from eBay. So, this was some pantry items. Cocoa powder? I don't remember ordering that. Oh, I did. My bread flour, I can put that in my canister after. Maybe I did order that. So I meant to make whoopie pies. I don't remember. Unless they put something in there they weren't supposed to. There's a Lowry seasoned salt. I want that for chicken. Save-A-Lot puts that on there. It's like a barbecue almost. Honey mustard Billy B, because I can no longer find them honey mustard in our Save-A-Lot. So I gotta do a Save-A-Lot trip next week. I got some all-purpose King Arthur, comes from Walmart.com. 4 more chicken noodles. 4 cream of mushrooms. Eight to and I eat a lot of that during milk or put it in with stuff. And goldfish, the snack that smiles back. So we got that. That's it for the pantry item. Now, Bailey, get out of them water wings. They ain't for you. As long as you don't hurt yourself, read them. I guess you can have them. So, and that is it. So tomorrow we got the Instant Pot coming, my new bread machine, a new phone, another multimedia thing for Jimmy, and I think a couple other things. And I don't know. We'll be here or off or whatever. But I gotta put that in my new canisters and label them. So hopefully the bugs don't get in them again. So this is a 5-pound bag. It's organic bread flour, and King Arthur's is unbleached. That's a good thing, I guess. So, yeah, that'll be okay. Organic cocoa powder. Make some chocolate whoopie pies or something, or just have it on hand for whatever. Put it in chili. You can.